Up, truck door slams. He grabs at a rusted pride and joy, calls me champ. I watch him load. He drops the shells. I swear this man could miss a jail door from inside the cell. Birds tell stories about my dad. Fly and laugh while I watch from the grass. They chirp and chat. That old fool's back. They joke that they'll give him a free crack. They say, hey, hey. Then smoke, feathers, none. Those mallards high-five in the sky like that was fun. Birds tell stories about my dad. Fly and laugh while I watch from the grass. They chirp and chat, that old fool's back. They joke that they'll give him a free crack. They say, aim, aim, fire, fire, fly away. He's so bad, yeah. Tell stories about my dad. Whoa! Woo! Crow on a fence post shouts to his friends. Here comes Broken Gun Legend again. Quail take a coffee break. Geese bring the band. They sell front row seats to watch him jam that gun in the sand. Birds tell stories about my dad. Fly and laugh while I watch from the grass. They chirp and chat, that old fool's back. They joke that they'll give him a free crack. They say, aim, aim, fire, fire, fly away. He's so bad, yeah. Birds tell stories about my dad. Whoa, yeah. He'll sit, he'll miss and brag, and the sky writes jokes about my poor